Good morning, students. Welcome back to again Physics Point classes. Today we will another solve some numerical regarding electricity. I hope you will try to understand how these numericals are solved here. So we will start our first numerical. Let us take a look on that statement. What the statement says to us. In first question, electric bulb, draw a current of 0.7 ampere for 15 minutes. That means we have a current that is 0.7 ampere and there is a time. That time is 15 minutes. First of all, we have to convert that minute into second. In 15 into 1 minute into second, 60. Everyone know. Then we need 900 seconds. Second, the calculate the amount of charge. You have to find Q here through the circuit. So we know I is equal to Q by T. Then Q will be I into T. What is I here? I here 0.75 into, and there is a time that is 900. So it will be 75 divided by 100 into 900. Get cut it. Then 9 पंजे 45 4 और 9 सते 63 और 4 67 61. 9 पंजे 45 4 और 7 में 63 और 4 67. And charge is 7 is coulomb. Then you have to put coulomb here. That is the first answer. Now we will do second numerical. Question over. Now we will do second numerical. In second numerical, there is an electric motor that draw 5 ampere current from volt line to 20 volt. That means we have voltage 220 volt and there is a current of 5 ampere. Calculate power and electrical energy. We have to find P as well as W. And there is a time consumed in by 2 hours. There is a time also available, that is 2 hours. Now first we will find it. Then we will try for electricity bill. Now but we have power. Since we know P is equal to VI. What is V here? 220. And there is I also. We have 5. It will be 1100 watt, but we have to convert into kilowatt, so we have to divide it by 1000. That is kilowatt. So as you can see, that means 1.1 kilowatt. That is power. Now what about work done? That is energy. Energy power into time. What is power? 1.1 into time. Time is 2 hours. That means 2.2 and kilowatt hour. That is electrical energy. This is called 1 unit. We all of you. Now 1 unit of electricity price is 5 rupees. What is the cost of running this motor for 2 hours daily? Since this is 1 day unit, because we have already used 2 hours here. Now for the month of 30 days, this is 1 month, 1 day. So for 31 days, energy consumed will be 2.2 into 31. Now that is 2.2 divided by 10, 31. That will be 31 दूनी 62 6 और 6 68 अपॉन 10. That means 680.2. That is kilowatt hour. That is the total energy consumed for 31 days. Now, one day charge is 1 minute charge 5 rupees. So for 31 days, electricity charge will be, that is unit 68.2 multiply by how many unit per day? 5 rupees. That means 68 2 by 10 into 5. 5 दूनी 10, 5 अटे 40, 5 दूनी 10, 5 अटे 40 अटे 41, 4 6 पंजे 30 और 4 34 डिवाइड बाय 10, that is 341 rupees. 341 रुपये will be the answer for 31 days electricity bill. Now we will do third one. In third, 100 joule of heat is produced each second in form. There is a heat 100 joule time 1 second and there is a resistance 4 ohm. So first of all we have to use H is equal to I square RT. Joule's law of it. From here we will find I. That I will be I square H upon RT. What is H here? 100 joule. What is resistance here? 4 into 1. That cut it 25. That means I is equal to root 25. That means 5 ampere. Now we have to find potential difference across the end of resistor. So by Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Then I is equal to V by R. What is the V here? We have V here. There is a V or not? Check it. There is a I and there is a R. We have to find R. That means we have to find potential drop. I is 5 and what about R? R is 4. That means 20 ampere potential, 20 SI unit over volt. 20 volt potential difference is needed across that resistor, so that 100 joule of heat is produced in 1 second by that resistor. This is answer number 3. Now we will do fourth number. In fourth, there is a 4 ohm resistor and you have to double it. Like this is a wire, AB wire. It has 4 ohm resistor. If I double it, then that wire will be like that. In that case, this is length L. Then its length is L by 2, but area 2 times. Area is 2 times. Means its length, new length is L by 2, but area new dash is 2. Now, here formula R is equal to rho L by A. But here R what is 4 ohm. That is equation number 1. But when we fold it, then its length become half, but area become twice. So we will use again that formula and the energy resistance will be R dash rho L dash upon A dash. But rho is here, L dash is L by 2 and area is 2A. That means rho L upon A in 1 by 4. Now we will divide equation number 1 and equation number 2. Then what is the answer? R dash by 4 and what for this one? That is rho L by, that is 1 by 4 rho L by A divided by rho L by A. That is correct. 1 by 4. 4 to 4 cancel. Then R dash will be 1 ohm. That will be the answer after folding that wire. I hope you understand how it is numerical solved. There is a wire 4 ohm resistance, that is actual length L. Then we double it, then area length become half, but area become twice. So we know that resistance formula rho L by A. Now R dash will be L dash A because length and area will be changed, but resistivity is fixed. Now length is L by 2 and area is 2Ig. After putting all these, equation 1 divided by 2 divided by 1, we get the answer R is equal to 1. Now last numerical. In that numerical, there is a circuit where 4 and 2 ohm will connect in series to a 6 volt. First we have to find I. For finding net I, we have to find RS. There is a both are in series combination, then 4 and 20, that is 24 ohm. Now what about I? V upon RS by Ohm's law. How many voltage? 6. But RS is 24. That means 1 upon 4 ampere current will be passed through the net I. And what about potential drop across 20 ohm? Since V is equal to IR. But we know that in series combination current always same. That means current is 1 by 4 and there is a resistance how much? 20. That means 5 volt. Check it how it is solved. Since 4 or 20 ohm both are connected in series, first we'll solve in series combination. In series combination net resistance get combined together. By Ohm's law, I is equal to V upon RS. What is the V here? 6 volt. And there is a net resistance 20. Cut it. 1 by 4 ampere is the net current flow through the complete circuit. Now we have to find potential drop across that combination. There is a current same, then current is 1 upon 4 ampere, and there is a R, then potential drop is 1 upon 4 into 20, it will be 5 volt. But in that case, if we apply potential across 4 ohm, that will be I 1 upon 4 into 4, that will be 1 volt. Let's check it. There is a 1 volt and there is a 5 volt. Then total volt is 6 volt. That is the right answer. In that manner, you can check the answer. Your calculated answer is correctly right or not, because both voltage net sum is equal to applied voltage by the vector. I hope you enjoyed that lecture. Please try more and more numerical from your notebook and your other publishers books. If you have any problem regarding this numerical area, you can contact my phone number and as well as on your WhatsApp group. Till then, take care, enjoy, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share to other persons.